Okay, so my veggies. You know what? Let's turn it off for now. I don't want any incidents. Guys, me and this bottle. I swear. Okay. This is nowhere near ready. Okay, so while that steams, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Give me 1 second. So my flour is all risen now, guys. It's not gonna be like really big like when you're making bread or anything. It's perfect. See when you poke it, it's soft and nice in there. Perfect. I'm gonna season the pot now. My trusty lemon pepper seasoning, guys. Again, you don't need too much because cabbage and stuff soak up all of that stuff. Anything you put in it, it pretty much soaks it up. Dry thyme, doesn't need your dry thyme. Give that nice taste in there. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the cumin. For those of you who don't know, this is cumin. Just a little bit, not too much, as you can see there. And then I'm gonna go with some turmeric. Just a touch of turmeric. It's not curry, guys. It's turmeric. So turmeric is pretty much the original turmeric. This is what it looks like. If you grate it down or grind it down into powder form, it looks like this. Just to give it a little bit of color. Yeah. Guys, you can smell the thyme coming out of that. Oh, it's so good. Oh, I forgot to put the crushed garlic. But you know what? It's okay, guys. Sometimes you forget that ingredient, but it still makes the pot taste just as good. Okay, see? A little bit of turmeric helps it to pow. Let it steam up some more. Has a little bit of ways to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's see if I can. Okay, you know what? I'm going to put this one right here. My pots are so huge, guys. So huge. Okay, so there. I'm going to fix that for you to see. I'm going to do the fry bakes over here. While the there. So while the cabbage is steaming, I'm going to focus on the fry bakes. My pot is getting hot. Switchy, switchy. I know, right? And because, yep, that's there. Perfect. I'll do the codfish last.